Hello viewers, welcome. As you can see, I'm having an old multimedia speaker system which is always need to connect with mobile or some desktop via cable, and this is a damn idea. For today it is not suitable, so I'm going to convert this one with a Bluetooth device, so it will work via Bluetooth. So first of all, we will do we'll take a look on our circuit system. What we're going to do is this one. See here, this is the amplifier which is inside of this box, and this is left speaker and this is right speaker which connected with the amplifier external, and it's required power from 220 volt by transformer to consume 9 volt, and here it is a 3-line jack system which is this one. It's a stereo system, so we'll remove this line first. We'll disconnect this jack system, and what we'll do next, take a Bluetooth device like this one, which will have 3 output points, 2 power points, that's it. But it will consume 3.5 to 5 volt, and this is output for speakers amplifier system. This is common or ground, this is left channel, and this is right channel. We will connect this left channel to jack left channel, and common to jack common pin in amplifier, and right to right channel of amplifier. And to manage this 3.5 to 5 volt, we'll use a mobile charger which is commonly available with you, maybe else you can purchase from any mobile shop nearby you. It will quite like this one. It will cost 30 to 40 rupees max. You can see this. After removing this charger, we'll get this kind of circuit. One circuit will be inside of that. So we'll use it for managing this 3.5 volt to 5 volt. It will supply around 5 volt, so it is enough for us. Now the main thing here, it is the Bluetooth module which is the key thing for us for this project. You can easily purchase from online also. I have purchased it from local market. It costs 60 rupees only. So today we will use to convert this speaker system with this one. So this is our circuit, and how we will engage this mobile charger system. We'll use this charger circuit, and this input we will connect with AC from where transformer is taking power like this. And output of this circuit will go to this circuit, positive, and this one is negative. Okay, this is the diagram. So we'll go to the practical. There is two speakers. This is the left channel and this is the right one. Amplifier is in this one, so we'll remove this one only. As you can see, I've removed it. Carefully we will remove it, back cover. Now we'll get this kind of thing. This is inside. This is the circuit, amplifier circuit, and this is the transformer, and this is the audio jack. So you can see audio jack having 3 points. This is the audio cable. This one is negative, we'll check it. This one is R1 and this one is L1, means right channel and left channel. We'll check it. How we can check? We'll use a multimeter. We have to set continuity mode. We'll check here. So this point is the negative one. We need this one only. Rest to our left and right will manage it. So right now we'll not remove this 3 point. We'll just cut this jack. We'll use it. This golden cable, this cable, this is the negative one, and which we make the other part of this cable is this one. So middle one is negative and rest to our left and right. Okay, so we'll connect to this circuit. See, here it is mentioned. You can see right, left and ground, VCC and ground. This is for power supply and these 3 are for input, sound input. Okay, let's do it. Now we'll connect these 3 points. We'll solder one by one. Now we'll connect the power supply from the mobile charger device. This is the output, means 5 volt output. So it will connect with these 2. White one is ground and red one is VCC, means positive. So positive will go to positive terminal. So this position is complete. Now we'll connect, or you can get from your charger also this kind of power cable, which will be connect AC to this circuit. Now our entire circuit is complete. So we'll connect this one to transformer line, which is came into this. So we'll open this joint and we'll connect these two cable with this one. See, as this is AC power, no positive and negative is required, so you can directly join any cable to any one. Now it's already connected with AC line. Now we will cover it with black tape. Now our circuit is complete. So from here AC will come into this circuit, and this will supply 5 volt to this module, and from there signal will be received via Bluetooth and it will be transferred to amplifier circuit and it will play the speakers. Now it's time to check. As you can see, power supply line is glowing on. Also mobile charger light is glowing on. That means power is being supplied to module. Now we'll connect our mobile via Bluetooth. We'll search and this kind of 3.0 BT will show in your device. We'll pair it. See, it's connected. Now we'll play some sound. So Bluetooth is working perfectly. Now we'll do one thing, final packing of it. So first of all we'll switch off this one and then we'll cover this Bluetooth module with this kind of tape, so it will not get short circuited, it will not touch other components. This like of packing will do. More of all, we'll cover this circuit too, like this. This is our mobile circuit. We'll cover it properly, otherwise it will get short circuited. Another tip we'll put to make it sure it's perfectly binded, not getting in touch with other components. This is perfect. Now we'll place it inside of this thing like this, and we'll put the Bluetooth devices like this and we'll cover it. pack it like this, and this is completed. Now it's finally ready to play. We'll throw it out. It's not required anymore. We'll play via Bluetooth. It's connected. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.